Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tim Allaire, and I will be doing some command line interface prompts for Windows XP. First, we'll get started by going down to our Start and Run, and I've already typed CMD, which it saves for me, and there we are. Let's see, I'll make it as large as I possibly can, and hopefully everyone can see that. Let's see. The first command is the dir command, which is the directory command, and basically it gives you a snapshot of the directory that you are currently in. If you'd like to change a directory, you use the cd command, which stands for change directory. In this case, I want to go to my documents, if I can spell it. And furthermore, I'd like to change to cd nos 130. And I am currently in C drive, documents and settings, Tim Allaire, my documents, specifically nos 130. Now, other people may not have done this, but basically that would mean that I'd go to Start, and since we have this GUI right here, my documents would actually be under C if I were to go to that. And basically the 130 equates to, a NOS 130, which is right here, which shows NOS and 130, which are two files that I made to play around with, a cool BMP file and JPEG file. Nonetheless, you can manipulate everything without using the GUI, which I know is unheard of, but it can be done. Let's see, if you would like to make a directory, we would go ahead and do, say, MD. Now, if I wanted to make one called cool within NOS 130, I could, and in which case I could cd cool, and that would just add to it the IR. Well, there's nothing in there, so I want to get rid of it, in which case I would be removing our RD cool RD right, cd. The only way that I can remove it is to get out of it, so I have to go backwards first, in which case you would be using this little dot at the end of your CD, and RD, remove directory, cool, and it's gone. For instance, CD, cool, no go. Alright, there's nothing there. The next thing that I would like to show you would be, let's see what we have in here. We have cool BMP, fun, txt, nos, a couple different things. Alright, so first let's go ahead and copy. I've also made a directory, nos 131, just in case I pass this class, in which case I can move up, and we could copy maybe the cool BMP. So we'll go ahead and copy cool.bmp, and just to be on the safe side, yeah, I'll do that, to NOS 131. One file is copied. So if I go to, I ran out of room. I've got something special to show you called the CLS command. Alright, let's see, I wanted to cd nos 131, and there is my fun txt, which I copied into this one. Let's see, if I wanted to go back to NOS CD NOS 131. Excuse me, NOS 130. And say I wanted to go ahead and move something. I would type the move command. Actually, let's see. I want to go backwards one. Move NOS 130, and I already know that the file I want to move is the cool.bmp, and the destination is going to be NOS 131, and let's see if it's in there. NOS CD NOS 131 and dir. There it is. Cool BMP. Let's see. Copy move. CLS is one of my favorites because I can't stand seeing everything. Let's see. If I wanted to go to NOS 130 again, and say I wanted to CDIR, and these look like great files, but it doesn't give me the exact directory for them. You can attribute them, in which case it tells you exactly the file path name, and that will help you from time to time moving things around. Let's see, I think that is pretty much all that I need to show you this evening, and hopefully my next one runs a little bit smoother. Thanks again, and talk to you soon.